And also,
the odds decrease the more time.
hello friends, good morning. We're finally back in my car. I learned how to pump air into my tires for the first time. Just adulting things. But anyway, today I'm so excited. I'm going to a pumpkin farm. We're gonna be doing all things autumn. I got my cute little like autumn jacket that I thrifted. Has a cute like navy corduroy collar. So let's get this puppy started. Oh my god, safety first, almost forgot. All right, see you guys there.
Who would have thought your adventure turned into a forever stay? And untie all the cables and roll. Step onto the astroturf and yourself a cruising.
I'm sorry, but the little tail.
I'm sorry. Did I scratch you wrong?
Oh my god.
A big goat. Yeah, it's a normal sized goat. I could take that goat. Yeah?
Now shall the woman I once knew. I hope I'll find you somewhere. Not today.
Look at all those chickens.
They do cockfights here.
You should get one for Megan.
There's no way that she wants this. Heavier than you thought. The odds decrease the more time you do it. Pumpkin.
I want to say that he's single. He enjoys gaming, pumpkins, and twerking. Sneak peek for the ladies so they know what they're getting into. Oh!
You did it, Zach. I'm so impressed by you.
Who would have thought
Oh my god! Okay, no, it's over.
your adventure turned into a forever stay? And I've been thinking a lot, and I've been drinking myself down.
How would you like to wake up next to that every morning?
What the?
You used to live within the clouds, yet so somehow I'd stay grounded for.
Just flip it.
Hello babes, 'tis another day, 'tis another dollar. So I'm going to keep the autumn festivities going, but unlike the pumpkin patch day, Today is bloody hot as hell. Like, I'm sorry, but it is 90 degrees in California. Like, caught me off guard, love. I feel like the vibes were immaculate the day that I went to the pumpkin patch. It truly felt like the first day of fall. It was super gloomy. It just kind of added to like this spooky atmosphere. Yet here we are again to typical 90 degrees desert weather. But you know what? Whatever. I feel like honestly nothing can stop me right now. I am in the best mood because yesterday my boyfriend and I finally booked his flight to California. As y'all know, I spent 6 weeks in Italy visiting him, so he's finally coming to California. This will be his first time ever, so I'm just so excited to show him where I grew up. I have just been like beaming since yesterday. I'm so happy. All right, autumn daytime look complete. All right, guys, so here is the completed look for today. It's definitely not giving much autumn vibes. We're just gonna have to make do in the heat. But aren't these charms adorable? These are actually my grandmother's. I just took this shirt from my dad, Kuromi tote bag, thrifted in Japan, random black tank, denim skirt from Target, loafers and socks from Japan. Y'all, how do I always end up back in a thrift shop? This is one of my favorite secondhand stores. This is Flashbacks. I show myself shopping here in one of my Thrift With Me videos that I'll make sure to link for you guys in case you want to watch. And around this time of year, they put out secondhand Halloween costumes. But these Halloween vests absolutely captivated me. So swaggy. So of course I ended up in the dressing room. I tried on a couple of oversized men's blazers that clearly didn't fit, but I did manage to find this super cute little dress. It's from Revolve and originally retails for over $200, but it was only about $30 here. And I thought this top was precious. It kind of fits like a muscle tank, but the gold sparkles is such a fun festive twist. Then I went across the street to Buffalo Exchange, another consignment shop, and once again, no luck with Halloween costumes, but I did find some cute pieces to try on. I didn't end up buying this velvety black tank, but I don't know why because it looks really cute. And I finally found a suit vest. I've been trying to find an affordable one for ages now. So yeah, that's everything I tried on. Hello friends, it is the next day and I'm having a pretty chill morning. So yesterday was super fun. I'm definitely in my thrifting kick right now. I mean, I went for the purpose of finding Halloween costumes, and did I buy one thing Halloween related? No. I actually did end up buying 3 pieces that are so cute. Normally I would share the pieces with you guys, but I've actually been collecting quite a bit of like fall and winter clothing pieces. So I think I'm just gonna make a whole separate like fashion haul. So yeah, not to be annoying, but make sure to click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also make sure that you're subscribed. Oh yeah, also hope that this isn't too loud over here. This is today's spooky little Halloween ambiance. Also, you guys, this freaking candle, this apple honey butter candle is so good. I got it from Marshall's. Alrighty, so enough with the candle talk. Now I think I'm gonna do a cute little fall activity and bake some cookies. Okay, guys, these are the iconic Pillsbury pumpkin sugar cookies. Me and my family used to bake these when I was a child. They're so nostalgic, but you guys, it was such a journey to get these. They were pretty much sold out at like every store that I checked. Maybe I was late to the game, but they were sold out at Target, sold out at Walmart, sold out at all my local grocery stores. So me and my mom had to check online, and luckily there was one place that said they were in stock. They only had about 45 minutes until closing, and we just like busted it over there. So we went a little crazy and we did get 3 packs, but I'm just gonna bake one today. There's absolutely no cooking involved. I'm just gonna pop these in the oven. Okay, so I just set the timer for the cookies, and while we wait for those to bake, I quickly wanted to show you guys the other Halloween things that we got from the grocery store. Like here we got the Halloween themed pasta. They're all different colors and the shapes are so cute. There's little bats and pumpkins and spiders. And also, this is a pumpkin shaped pizza, and this one here is a crispy crust topped with a marinara sauce, cheddar cheese, a creamy cheese sauce smile, and mozzarella eyes. And then we also got this one. This is a ghost shaped pizza. This one's a crispy crust topped with mozzarella cheese, olive eyes, and marinara sauce mouth. Let's get into it. They taste the exact same. Hey girlies, sorry I'm whispering right now because it's kind of late. I don't want to wake anyone up. But also, I almost forgot to film an outro for this video. I'm like getting ready for bed. So sorry, I know I look completely crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this California autumn video. I'm so jealous of you guys who live in locations that actually get to experience seasons. I could do without a humid summer and a freezing winter though. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for making it until the end of this video. And until next time, bye-bye.